Alright, so here's 2 units at this place. The Lennox right here. And an airflow heat pump running in heat mode. I'm not going to get the data on it. And I'm not going to stick around here for more than a few seconds. And I think there might be... Did I just... Oh, there is a unit here. There's a unit right over here. The Train XB series. And that airflow heat pump is running in heat mode. American Standard. American Standard unit. I think it's been running. ...2007. I believe this is a... 2-ton. I think it's a heat pump. It is a heat pump. And I think it was running. It was definitely running because the lines are lukewarm, but... Yeah, I'm not going to get that airflow defrosting. If it does go into defrost, then I guess I will. It probably has interval, but... There's an old 80s Lennox. That's pretty awesome. That Lennox is probably a heat pump, but... Yeah, I'm not going to stick around here for more than probably 15 seconds longer, so... And I have to get home soon, so... Hey, we found some heat pumps that we haven't filmed before. Alright. Out. I'm going to snap a photo of those. Make that my new background. So, couple. Alright, bye.